Hey everyone, welcome back to Torrpreneur, where we unravel the latest and greatest in the world of technology and business. If you're passionate about staying ahead in the entrepreneurial game with a touch of AI and innovation, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Elon Musk's vision for the future, a world where robots don't just exist, they revolutionize manufacturing. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated on all our future content. Let's get started. When we talk about the future of manufacturing, it's clear that automation is the cornerstone. It's all about robots. Lots and lots of robots. Elon Musk has been chasing the dream of a machine that builds the machine for quite some time. In Tesla's latest humanoid bot demo, we saw this vision coming to life. A robot building another robot. This isn't just a demo. It's a window into Musk's ultimate game plan. Imagine a world of infinite potential, a future where every possibility is within reach. That's what Musk is working towards. This was evident during Tesla's recent Investor Day presentation, where Musk himself highlighted the Tesla bot. This project is clearly close to his heart, a passion project that he's personally steering. We've come a long way from the initial Optimus prototype, which couldn't stand on its own, to a more capable version that can walk and handle tasks with precision. This evolution is not just about creating a robot that can perform parkour, but about developing practical, tool-using capabilities that can have real-world applications. But what truly sets the Tesla bot apart? It's the AI-driven brain. Tesla, already a leader in real-world AI, is applying its expertise from automotive to robotics. The goal is to create a humanoid robot that can autonomously carry out tasks based on simple instructions. No coding expertise required. Now, let's talk scale. Tesla isn't just building a robot. They're planning to produce them on a massive scale. Every component of the Optimus prototype is a Tesla creation, showcasing their commitment to vertical integration. Musk envisions a future where robots are more numerous than humans, a concept that's still hard for many to grasp. This vision is integral to Tesla's expansion plans. Take the new Gigafactory in Nuevo León, Mexico, for instance. It's set to be a mammoth production hub, but achieving such ambitious production goals is impossible without automation. But here's a perspective shift. Robots are not just about replacing jobs. They're essential for creating and preserving jobs. The upcoming Gigafactory, with its reliance on automation, is a testament to this. Musk's plan isn't about eliminating human labor. It's about augmenting it with robotic efficiency. Musk's master plan transcends mere robot production. It addresses broader economic challenges like population decline and the need for increased productivity. The Tesla bot symbolizes a new era in the workforce, one where human and robotic labor coexist and drive growth. In Musk's equation, a robot equals a certain amount of human labor potential. The aim is not to replace, but to supplement and expand the workforce. This approach could break the cycle of inflation and deflation, offering a sustainable model for growth. Tesla's model of automation is a blueprint for the future of manufacturing globally. It's about maintaining and expanding domestic manufacturing capabilities, which is crucial for economic stability. So, when you see a Tesla bot, understand that you're witnessing the future of work and economic growth. It's a future where technology enhances jobs, creating new opportunities and possibilities. As we embrace this change, let's welcome the Tesla bot as a beacon of a more efficient and sustainable future. If you're intrigued by how technology is reshaping our world, especially in the entrepreneurial space, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Torrpreneur for more insightful content. And remember, here at Torrpreneur, we're all about exploring the cutting edge of technology and business. If you want to dive deeper into AI's impact on businesses, sign up for our newsletter and grab your free copy of AI-Enabled Businesses, a step-by-step guide to starting, scaling, and profiting from AI tools at www.torrpreneur.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and stay ahead of the curve. This is Torrpreneur, signing off. See you in the next video.